Oh, uh, my name is Halletino. Hi, I'm Halletino. Whatever. I'm back. I'm not dead. Nobody said I was, but just gotta clarify that, just making sure. There's not really much of an explanation for why I was gone. But now we get to play Teardown. So that's what we're playing today. We're playing Teardown, and I have installed, what, like, maybe a few mods? But I'm trying to hide them from you the best I can. One of them specifically, so I can see if maybe it can come into play at some point. So yeah, let's get into it, I guess. Oh, I can? This is the little guy I'm playing as, by the way. Any of the mods that like show up, I'll like credit them because I think credit is important. So gotta get out of the gamer posture, but my chair is like the chair is right here and the computer is like right there, and it like my arms are only so long, so you know it's gonna. All right, where's it's gonna start with the sledgehammer? I forgot. Hold on, let me adjust the volume. Holy crap! Yeah, I forgot just how much joy I had destroying stuff because I've played this game before. Oh, you can get the glass, the wiggle of the tail. What else do we have? We have an extinguisher, but do we have fire? Nice of you to ask. Yes, we do! Holy crap. Why is it so loud? Here, 30%, 30% volume. Yes! Murder! Uh, oh no, looks like you got a little bit of fire going on here. Just a little bit. Let's see. How about an extinguisher? Perfect. Got it. Oh, this is a beautiful sculpture. I'm not, I don't know if I want to destroy it. Here, this will be the only thing remaining after my madness. Here, what else do we have here? I don't really know the controls that well since the last time I played it. Except for like, obviously movement controls are pretty basic. So, ooh, what's this over here? Oh, vehicles. Do you think if I shoot this, it'll explode? Darn, it didn't explode! Still no explosions. Well, what if I said... What was it a little bit? Here, right there. Big explosion. What's this? What? What does this do? What? I think I made it walk. Did I give it life? Stop running away from me! Come back! We have so much to talk about. I see your help. Ah! Okay. Oh my gosh. Knowing any second. Oh my gosh, it's a hippo. It's a hippo. Can I climb it? Is that... Here, we're gonna do some epic parkour real quick. Oh, almost. In the post. Up. Ah! Oh, I went too far. Hold on. Come on. trying to get up there, but it's not letting me. I'm about to give you a pipe bomb if you don't let me up there. You know what? How dare you? That's what you get. I need something faster. Or, alternate argument. Your turn! Will you let me? Will you let me on your back, majestic creature? That could probably kill me in real life. Yes! I did not mean to do that one. Oh, looks like I already did some damage, but it's like a seat. Onwards! Here, I need to make it move. There's a way I could do this, and I feel like I know how. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to blow you up. You will go to the sky. And hopefully don't blow me to bits this time. Here, put one in your mouth. Put a few more in your mouth. Does this have a timer to go off, maybe? I don't learn my lesson. So, here, watch this! No, where is it? There's nothing left. It's a crater. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, Katie. Alright. What is this? What is blue tide? I completely forgot. Oh, it's a drink. Uh, what's these plants? They need watering. What do they need? I mean, they could use water, but what happens if we do this? More lava! Oh crap, it's lagging. Okay, I need to not crash my computer a second time playing this, so. Wait, I have an idea. I'm not gonna do it. Here, let me. Just trying to draw a dragon. There, that's a really bad drawing of Rift, except it wasn't working. Pinata! You're no fun. Woo! There, it's a nice and fluffy cloud. Alright, I'm moving on. Visit. Oh, I forgot I did this one. Okay, hold on. Okay. Here, come with me. Oh, excuse you. Here. We're gonna put you in the remains. This is in the honor of the hippo that I blew to bits. I could blow something up and then use it with, like, Lego pieces. Here. What? Where'd it go? Here, this one's... We're gonna make a beautiful sculpture out of the remains. Did not mean to do that. Oh, I remembered. I remember how this works. Because, yeah. Ooh, how many can we stack? That is my question. Wrong way. I think my depth perception is a little messed up, guys. Just kidding. It's completely fine, I'm sure. No! My beautiful sculpture! Here, we can salvage this. Just put it together like hold on. There we go. Perfect. What if I go in here? Beautiful. What if I put lava? Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. I have an idea. I have an idea. No, it's always obvious. You can see it in my eyes. Okay. One, two. Yeah, that should work. That's all right, I guess. That didn't work though, because we need a path. So I say we drive this vehicle. If I can figure out how to drive without killing everybody in my path. It's alright, we got it. There's something down there, but I don't know how to quite get down there, so oh, yeah, well that's perfect. Ah, perfect. Now, alright, let's get up here. Let me back up a little bit. Oh, you can see my tail in there. Alright, you ready for this? I'm gonna do full row of these. Then over here, I'm gonna go on top. We're gonna give it wings. Wings of thrusters. I gotta do the other side. There, now it's even. Sort of. Alright, you ready? Okay. Um, I almost got stuck. What if I put them on the wheels? Is that possible? Oh! Just driving my car. Normal stuff. Hold on, just gotta back up for a second. Beep. Anyways, I played Dragon Adventures before. This is the lagginess I've become accustomed to. Huh, the vehicle condition is either really low or really high. I think it's really low. We're gonna go out. Nah, I just give up. Ah, darn. Well, we gotta give it a proper send-off, you know. Here. Gotta give it a proper send-off. Thank you for your service. That wasn't nearly as entertaining. Hold on. You gotta do this the right way. No, not under the water! Okay, now! Thank you for your service. That was better! Oh, I think it evaporated. The only thing left is like this. It's cold in here. Okay. We're gonna take this. This is our souvenir. It's one of the memories of the times we had together. Loyal vehicle. Oh, what is that? Another one. I could, like, also, do I wanna, can I put this? Oh. Is it in the front seat or is it just, dang it! Come on! Yo. Well, that wasn't nearly as good. Here. What's going on in here? Oh, this is from when I, hey, listen. You, little truck, I think, you have betrayed me. You will not carry the memory of the one before you. So for that, I was gonna use that. And for that, well, I'm not fighting that ever again. Bye-bye. I'm not a bird. There's glass there. I'm like a supervillain. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know why I did that. Oh. Well, well, well. I am not going to wait to open a garage door. In fact, I think we need it to be wider, personally. Yeah, just get that. Uh-huh. Yep. You know, and how about we take... Whoopsies. How about we take down the whole wall? No need for a wall, you know. It's just a wall. Almost done. Woo! Well, um, fire extinguishers, am I right, chat? Why did I say that? I'm not streaming right now. Maybe it's because it's the illusion of streaming, because I have to record this using my streaming setup. Stop being on fire! Did you not hear what I said? I said stop being on fire. You don't quite listen, do you? I said stop being on fire. There you go. That's all you have to say, by the way. That's how you get a fire to stop. Just say stop being on fire. Alright, let's get some stuff out of the way. Wow, that was a long throw. Oh, it's a cube. Not what I meant to do. Better. Alright, which one of these? First, we gotta do the, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, there is a space. Perfect. Oh! What? Woo! My poor tail underneath the car. Here, back up a second. Yeah, we're just gonna go there. Well, I said to back up. Okay, well, maybe this one will do better. So the issue was that I accidentally included one sideways one. So we just can't include any sideways thrusters. Yes! No! Okay. That was loud. Yes. 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 No. No. Yes? Oh! No. Wait. I would be getting the hang of this, but I would be getting the hang of this, but I kind of don't. It's because none of the thrusters on the side are working. Okay, back up. Okay, now work. I'm done with cars, dude. I'm done. And I think I'm going to end that there because it has taken a surprisingly long time, and I'm going to edit this down to a much more surmisable footage. What was that face? Anyways, we've reached the end of the video. Thank you guys. And I might start uploading more. It really depends on how much like motivation I have. But I'll be making an attempt to find more games to play and maybe play Teardown more because this was fun. Bye guys. Stay cool. Yes.